Hi, my name is Rune and I'm the lead mechanical engineer in Blueye. Today I'm going to talk about the Blueye Sonar skid. The Sonar skid is designed to carry the Oculus sonars from Blueprint Subsea. It fully takes advantage of the stable platform of the Blueye X3 and it enables the users to control the drone and the sonar separately. The sonar mount is servo driven, which allows a tilt angle of ±30 degrees. This makes it suitable for scanning seabed of viral topography. It also improves the ease of use for long-range searches. The Blueye X3 ROV's stability and intuitive controls helps the user shifting from driving the ROV to focusing on the actual sonar controls. By adjusting the tilt angle, you'll be able to cover different sectors in front of you, and the reflections from the objects will vary, which again makes it easier to interpret the images. The ability to tilt upwards will also improve the scanning capabilities during ship hull inspections. In water, the thin profile of the skid ensures a low lateral drag. The system has been developed for easy installation and deployment. The skid can be installed and removed by a thumb screw in the back, in addition to the connectors for the servo and the tilt in the front. When disassembled, the system is compact for transportation and storage. The front mount also has an attachment point for a gripper. A great part of the development work for this integration has been getting the sonar data and controls into the Blueye app. Our software engineer, Juan, he will tell you more about this in another video.